guys, today I have an unboxing video for you. So, these are two official diecast models from Tesla. The first one is of a Model 3, and as you can see, it's considerably smaller than the one of the Model S. You can actually buy these. You only get them by purchasing the car, or if you go on eBay and buy them from somebody who did purchase the car. So this is a 1/43 scale of the Model 3, and actually if you look at the pictures they include, it's actually opposite of the direction they have the cars going, even if you flip it around. And so this unboxing is pretty quick because it just slides right out. Here, push on that. For collectible only. Warning, choking hazards, contain small parts, blah, 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 made in China. And there we go. So I haven't seen many of these, good quality videos of many of these, so figured I would make one. Now, let's see. It has Urango logo on the bottom. I'll have to look that up. And the part number and such. There's a screw there, which holds the Model 3 on its base. Apparently, if you take off this plastic part and you unscrew that, this actually, you can use it as a toy car, though a rather expensive one, because these are selling on eBay for, I've been seeing them between 150 and 200 bucks. There had been some that sold for like 400, which is just absolutely insane. Considering if Tesla puts this in the shop, which they probably will at some point, I would say a price point for something like this should be like $39 or $49. It's real, and even that would be a little high. It's really not that fancy of a thing. It looks nice. And it's nice to get it for free when you buy an expensive car. But I don't think that this is worth 150 bucks. You guys there buying them off of eBay, a little bit crazy, but I hope you enjoy them. So there's that one. I'll move that off to the side. Now the big one, this one, and this let me note, my car is actually the same color and has silver wheels similar to those. So that's actually like, say, a miniature of my car. Now, the big one. This is again, warning, choking hazard, small parts, blah, 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 blah. Designed by California by Tesla Design. Here. So this one, you can buy them in the shop. I tried to get the one that's closest to my car. I have a P85. This is a P100D, and I'll tell you why I did that in a minute. So it just slides out of the box. There's that side of the box. And again, 1/18 scale diecast Model S. Now the reason that, here's a nice certified for authenticity. Yep. Okay. So the reason that I got the one for a P100D when I have a P85, which has a different front end, is that I am intending to change the front end of my car to match the refresh front end. And so this will match my car once I do that. Now, this is pretty cool. It has like a little plastic piece that says Tesla that slides over the styrofoam and holds it together. So you take that out and then it'll open up. So, okay, some padding and let's see. Some silica gel, and that's pretty much it for that. It says 1/18 scale Model S. So here is the 100D, or P100D actually. And the interesting thing about this is the detail is great, but Like, even you can see these actually work when it's lifting the hood up. They have these bars that come out. It has all the correct stickers, but the frunk is from a P85 or a S85. It has the extra room in there, and the P100D doesn't have that. So when they refreshed this model, they didn't bother to refresh the details on the interior. So it's this weird hybrid car. And you'll see the same thing on the seats on the inside. They have the old style seats. They're not the next gen seats. So that's kind of weird. You can see on the inside there, it has the screens. The screen seems to have a map up as well as like a web browser with a media player in it, which neither of those work in the real car. But I guess they bothered to put it here. The pedals they have the aluminum pedals. My car has that, so that matches. And interestingly, the rear view mirror, which does actually seem to work, but the rear view mirror here, the newer cars have a smaller rear view mirror than that, so that's from the P85 as well. Basically, the entire interior of this car is from the P85 model, and yet they included it on this P100D model, so I'm calling shenanigans on that. It's not a perfect match. The rear doors are hard to get open because you kind of have to have a nail or something to get in there. But the detail's great, even if it doesn't match. The tires are actually rubber. This is plastic. The rest of the car is metal. The battery pack is here. 1/18 scale, made in China. When you turn the wheels, the actual wheel in the car moves, which that's pretty cool. It has the defroster lines on the rear window, and it has the rear facing seats, which my car has. And on the whole interior, everywhere that there should be carpet, there is actually a carpeted, like, fuzzy material, which is also really cool. So, there's the side view with the options being either red or midnight silver, which is this. This is closer to my actual car, which is black. And it's pretty cool all the way around. I'm going to enjoy having this on my desk, as well as the other one, the red Model 3, this guy. So these are actually my two cars. I have my P85, well, this isn't a P85, but my P85, I'm going to be putting a refresh front end on it, so it'll match this. Actually, you know, now that I'm thinking about it, guys, since I have a P85, which is a P85 interior and the bigger frunk, but I'm going to have a refresh front end on it, this is going to match my car exactly. Like, this is going to be a miniature model of my car because it's going to have the old style interior, the old style frunk, and yet the new style front end. So that's actually pretty funny. And this matches my car exactly because I have a red Model 3 with silver wheels, and mine are 20-inch turbines, so they actually look more like this, but it's close enough. And so, yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think these are pretty cool. Don't buy this on eBay, please. Don't do it. It's not until the price comes down. That's a lot of money for this. This is just a small toy car. $29 probably. I would feel like a good price for this might be like $29, and even that's high. Just because you have the case and stuff. Guys, don't do it. Don't pay $150 for that. These, they sell them in Tesla shop. I think they are around $200, which I feel, wow, that's a lot of money. It is a lot of money for, you know, a collectible. I feel like it's at least a good deal with all the detail that it has. with everything working, with all the stickers and the painting. Ooh, that's interesting. That popped right off. So, thank you, China, for your exceptional build quality. Here, I'll have to glue that back on. Okay. It kind of just was clipped in. It's sitting there. Okay, I'll glue that back in. It looks like they didn't secure it at all when they built it. But overall, I'm happy with that. It's kind of cool, but yeah.